Hi, for today's unboxing, I have something from Fossil, and this is the second time I bought from them. I actually did open it up and take a look when I first received it yesterday because I wanted to make sure there's nothing wrong about it before I set up my light and all the stuff. Because the first time when I bought from them, the bag came with a stain right on the front of the bag, so I had to send that one back. I haven't had much experience with them yet. This is another one I bought from their outlet. So this is an outlet bag, and the one today is from their retail collection. So this one actually hold up exceptionally well, surprisingly. I haven't seen any scratches or corner wear. So if you want me to review this bag, please let me know. So when it came, it did wrap in the plastic bag, and it has this receipt in the envelope. They do have a nice box. I like all these prints on the box. So this is the backpack that came. It came factory wrap, and I have removed some of the wrapping on the handles and stuff already. Let's see. Inside they still have this stuffing, so let's take it out so I could show you the whole bag. It's a lot. Okay. So let's show you a little bit close up so that you can look at the texture of the leather. It looks really nice. This deep brown tone that kind of reminded me of some vintage retro kind of businessman's briefcase. Their leather quality is pretty good, and it has a front pocket big enough to put even my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, and it has side pocket, not a stretchy type. So I'm not sure if you can put a water bottle in or not, but it does have it on both sides. I guess you have more phones or your external batteries. I think you can put it there. At the back, there's this leather, and then has this padding on the other side. And then here is adjustable cotton webbing, but this one, the buckle is just plastic, not a metal buckle. And then with these two handles, and it does have a strap to put on over your luggage if you want to carry it for travel. Personally, I wouldn't use this for travel because when I travel, I actually use a much bigger backpack and then a crossbody bag. That way I can carry more stuff on the airplane. So this will be the first time I look inside the bag. It has the compartment for the laptop or for my iPad. And then it does have an inside zip pocket. This is a pretty straightforward and simple backpack. On the front, it actually has a couple of slip pockets on the front side of it. It may be hard to see, but so it does have some extra pockets for you to organize your stuff. I think I may have seen a pen slot too. I think with the phone and the iPad reason, I don't think most of people, unless you are in business, you probably not carrying a pen around anymore, right? So this is today's unboxing. I'm really happy with this purchase with the Black Friday deals. I think I only paid $80 for this bag. So it's a great quality, I would say mid-size backpack that you can use when you go to coffee shop or you just want to go take a walk around town. So before I finish this video, I'll try it on, show you some mugshot to see how this bag look on me. So I'm 5'9" and this is how it looks on me. Just get a sense of the size of the bag, the side. It's pretty comfortable. I like that the strap is not too thick, so it sits comfortably on my shoulder. And this is the size. Yeah, pretty happy with this purchase from the Black Friday deal from Fossils. Let me know if you have more questions. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.